Hello all, welcome back to another session on W on the data learning. Hope you all are doing great and I'm sure all of you are eager to learn. So now moving ahead to the topic of today's session, that is business intelligence. And business intelligence is where you are using Tableau. So you are using Tableau. Now, where does it fit into? Is it a business intelligence tool or is it a data visualization tool? We will see that now. So, firstly, moving towards the agenda of today's session, which will include what is business intelligence and what are the steps you require to implement business intelligence tools and the uses and what are the different BI tools available and how good they are for usage. My name is Abidunita Begum. I am a technical trainer. I give trainings on Azure, Tableau, AWS, and I'm also a soft skills trainer. And if you have any queries or anything, maybe you need trainings and all, so you can just contact me on digdatalearning@gmail.com. I'd be really happy to help. So coming towards business intelligence, what is business intelligence? So not going towards the definition directly, let's just try to understand why are we using business intelligence first of all. So as we all know, data is essential to modern businesses. Modern business, what even for any businesses, data is essential. Now, businesses they need to produce, collect, and store massive amounts of data, as well as have the ability to glean important insights to use it productively. Now, business intelligence it offers analysis that leverages raw data, helps businessmen become more effective and profitable. Now, successful business intelligence starts with careful and effective implementation. So, what are the steps involved? There'll be like, identifying your requirements and assigning responsibilities, verifying data, shop BI vendors, and many of them. So this is not just a very small process. This is a time consuming process because analysis and the processing and visualization, the maintenance, everything, this is going to take time. So starting with identifying the requirements. Implementing a business intelligence solution should be initiated with the core business objectives defined, such as increasing customer satisfaction, expanding existing markets, improving revenue, etc. Now, this will help us define our goals and determine the best way to use business intelligence. The next we have assigning responsibilities. What is this? Now, during implementation and execution of business intelligence, it's important to get the executive team on board and keep them aware of business objectives. That is what assigning responsibilities mean. Then you also have to verify your data. Data is the critical raw material for a BI software, or I could also say it is a critical raw material for running any business. So, because of this, it is vital that we process and evaluate the data to be sure that it's accurate and timely. Then we have to choose the software. Now, choosing the right software vendor is just as important as every other aspect of implementation. Some providers offer solutions that shorten the BI implementation time, ensuring that you save valuable time and resources along the way. For example, analytics can be embedded directly into an existing platform, invisible to end users, getting your product to market faster. Embedded analytics can also be monetized and customized, giving your end users better reporting that helps with customer retention. But before we start talking to the vendors, let's just go through some key features for all that all BI softwares should have. Depending upon your needs, you may prefer a basic BI solution and essential capabilities. So, or you may want an advanced platform with more specialized functions that serve more business needs. So that depends. Understanding these differences, there are different BI tools which you have to consider and use. So some basic features of and applications of BI software features would be reports and dashboards, data analysis, KPIs. So these basic features they serve the needs of the most businesses and are offered by many BI vendors for more advanced needs. Advanced features are also available to address different business demands. So generally, these features are used by selected teams or individuals with varying levels of technical skills and may or may not be included in the subscription pricing. All right. Now, so there are certain things that some examples you can say of advanced analytics features and how can they benefit our business. So it could be secure integration, customizable tools, self-service, and mobile tools. Okay, so these are certain things. Now, why are we using BI? What are the uses of BI? So as we said, faster reporting, analysis or planning, more accurate reporting, analysis or planning, better business decisions, improved data quality, improved employee satisfaction, improved operational efficiency. So what are all these? BI is giving us all this. So increased competitive advantage, reduced costs, increased revenues, and saved headcounts. That is what BI is helping. So, besides all these, BI and IT managers see their tools and platforms as a means to deliver faster and more accurate information to decision makers, and faster and more accurate reporting, analysis, or planning, better business decisions, improved employee satisfaction, and improved data quality to top the list. Benefits achieved least frequently include reducing costs, increasing revenues, and reducing IT headcount. Now, with growing efforts to monetizing data by improving commercial offers, we might see the increased revenue outcome rising in frequency in the future. So, these are certain business intelligence tools like ClickView and Tableau, Power BI, Oracle, SAS, and IBM Cognos Analytics. These are all. So here in this chart, what do you see is the total market share of each of the tools? Like there is SAP Business Objects, we have SAS, IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, ClickView, Tableau, Teradata. This was about 2017, and that is the reason why Tableau is just at 5%. But now you see Tableau is the mostly used one. But Google has also come up with one of the BI softwares, and then we also have Gecko Board now. We have Clipfolio. We have many others, and they are growing with time and are giving a great competition to Tableau. So that was about it. Do let me know what your views about this. So if you have used any of the data visualization or business intelligence tools and you have any feedback to give, about any one of them, do let us know in the comment section below so we can discuss about it and we can let people know. Thank you very much for being in this session patiently, and I hope that you found the video helpful. Do let me know if you have any suggestions, if you want any particular topic to be covered. I'll be really happy to help. Thank you very much. Happy learning. See you in the next session.